our project is called Project Delivered, IDL, ROI, Facility Layout, and Simulation. To give a small bit of background on the company, IDL is a large printing company that partners with international brands. They work in a job shop format. In the current state of their production, they have large and small format printers. A portion of the work is being outsourced. And they also have digital plotters and die cutters in operation. For our problem statement, IDL lacks information and analyses to make decisions regarding new printing and cutting equipment. The objectives of our project were to complete a return on investment analysis, provide facility layout, material handling analyses, and to simulate printing equipment.
So the first section of our project was the printer and plotter return on investment. One of the tools that we used throughout was a calculator. It was beneficial for the facility to move as many sheets from large format to small format as possible, because small format can print them significantly quicker, thus increasing the throughput of the facility. So we use this calculator to determine how many sheets can go from large format to small format. And using that, we came with these return on investment analyses. Most of the savings here came from work reclaimed from outsourcing and labor savings from the faster machines. They both are a great option, but we slightly prefer the Konica Minolta due to the higher net present value.
And here are our analyses of two plotters. As you can see on the right, the Electron plotter has a significantly higher NPV and IRR. We believe this is mainly due to the speed of the machine, and also due to the fact that it has two cutting heads. Because of this, we recommend this machine to IDL.
For the facility layout part, we first look at the printing room layout. We figure out the printing working process and the current layout. Our goal is to remove the old machine and replace it with a new printer. So we get a list of office facilities, which are the flow chart and relationship chart help us form our alternatives. And we evaluate our alternatives by adjacency score, which rates about 30%. And our result is shown in the picture.
For the new plotter they are going to purchase, we have identified 3 potential locations for it. We have analyzed them in regard to their impact on material flow, and we have considered distance and forklift transportation cost. After doing some comparison, we highly recommend alternative 3. It can bring 28% reduction in pesticides and transportation costs.
Lastly, we created a simulation model for the printing room. Our assumptions in the return on investment analysis was that the printers were operating at maximum capacity, but we all know that isn't how they function in real life. So we created a simulation to see whether they would be able to withstand changes in demand in a more accurate setting. And our simulation showed that the model can easily handle at least a 50% increase in demand.
Thank you.